Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that often gets overshadowed by the flashier components in your gaming rig. We all know the importance of a beastly graphics card and a lightning-fast processor for gaming. These components are the heart and brain of your system, driving those stunning visuals and ensuring smooth gameplay. But there's one crucial piece of hardware that often gets overlooked: the keyboard. It's not just a tool for typing, it's your primary interface with the game world. That's right, your keyboard can make or break your gaming experience. Imagine the frustration of a key not registering during a critical moment, or the joy of a perfectly executed combo thanks to responsive keys. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore esports competitor, the right keyboard can significantly impact your performance and enjoyment. It's not just about winning or losing, it's about the overall experience. It's the primary way you interact with your games, translating your every command and strategy into digital action. Every keystroke matters, from moving your character to executing complex strategies. A high-quality keyboard can be the difference between a frustrating loss and a glorious victory. The tactile feedback, the key travel, and the overall build quality all contribute to your gaming prowess. So let's dive into what makes a keyboard truly great for gaming and how the Razer Huntsman V2 checks all the boxes. From its innovative optical switches to its customizable RGB lighting, this keyboard is designed with gamers in mind. The Razer Huntsman V2 features optical switches that use light-based actuation, providing faster response times and greater durability compared to traditional mechanical switches. This means your commands are registered almost instantaneously, giving you a competitive edge. Customization is another key aspect. The Razer Huntsman V2 offers fully customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to personalize your setup to match your style or the theme of your game. It's not just about aesthetics. The lighting can also provide visual cues for in-game actions. Build quality is crucial for a gaming keyboard, and the Razer Huntsman V2 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a sturdy aluminum frame and premium materials that ensure it can withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions. In competitive gaming, every millisecond counts. The Razer Huntsman V2's low latency and high precision can make all the difference, allowing you to react faster and more accurately than your opponents. Ergonomics also play a vital role. The Razer Huntsman V2 comes with an ergonomic wrist rest and a well-thought-out key layout, reducing strain during long gaming sessions and ensuring comfort. Ultimately, the right keyboard can elevate your gaming experience, making it more enjoyable and immersive. The Razer Huntsman V2 is a prime example of how thoughtful design and advanced technology can come together to create a superior gaming tool. So, if you're serious about gaming, don't overlook the importance of a high-quality keyboard. The Razer Huntsman V2 might just be the upgrade you need to take your gaming to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. In the heat of battle, every millisecond counts. You need a keyboard that can keep up with your lightning-fast reflexes. This is where key responsiveness comes into play. A responsive keyboard registers your keystrokes instantly and accurately, ensuring your commands are executed without delay. Traditional membrane keyboards, while budget-friendly, often suffer from mushy keys and slow response times. That's a recipe for disaster in fast-paced games where split-second decisions are crucial. Mechanical keyboards, on the other hand, offer superior responsiveness and tactile feedback thanks to their individual mechanical switches. And the Razer Huntsman V2 takes this responsiveness to a whole new level with its innovative opto-mechanical switches. The Razer Huntsman V2 is not your average keyboard. It's a game-changer, a piece of technology that redefines what a gaming keyboard can be. It's a technological marvel engineered specifically for gamers who demand the very best. Whether you're a professional esports player or a casual gamer, this keyboard is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. At the heart of this beast lie Razer's own opto-mechanical switches. These switches are a breakthrough in keyboard technology, combining the best of both mechanical and optical switches. These babies use light beams to register keystrokes, resulting in unparalleled speed and accuracy. Imagine the precision of a mechanical switch, but with the speed of light. But that's not all. The durability of these switches is also remarkable, rated for up to 100 million keystrokes. The Huntsman V2 is a symphony of features designed to elevate your gaming experience. From its robust build quality to its advanced features, every aspect of this keyboard is crafted with the gamer in mind. Imagine customizing your keyboard's lighting with a spectrum of 16.8 million colors using Razer Chroma RGB. You can create your own unique lighting effects or choose from a variety of preset options to match your gaming setup. Need to adjust the volume or skip a track without alt-tabbing? No problem. The Huntsman V2 has dedicated media controls for ultimate convenience. These controls are intuitively placed, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly without interrupting your game. The Huntsman V2 has dedicated media controls for ultimate convenience. Whether you're in the middle of an intense gaming session or just relaxing with some music, these controls make it easy to manage your media without missing a beat. And let's not forget about ergonomics. The Huntsman V2 is designed with your comfort in mind. We're talking a plush wrist rest and a comfortable typing experience, even during marathon gaming sessions. The wrist rest is made from high-quality materials, providing the support you need to keep gaming for hours on end without discomfort. The keyboard's design also ensures that your hands are in a natural position, reducing strain and fatigue. The Razer Huntsman V2 is more than just a keyboard, it's a tool that can give you the edge you need to win. With its advanced features and ergonomic design, it's no wonder that this keyboard is a favorite among gamers. So, if you're looking to take your gaming to the next level, the Huntsman V2 is the keyboard for you. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge technology, the Razer Huntsman V2 is a testament to what a gaming keyboard can be. It's not just about playing the game, it's about experiencing it in the best way possible. So why settle for anything less? Elevate your gaming experience with the Razer Huntsman V2. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Huntsman V2 is built to withstand the rigors of gaming life. Its durable construction ensures that it can handle the wear and tear of daily use, while its portable design makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. Setting up the Huntsman V2 is a breeze. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. The keyboard's plug-and-play functionality means that you can start gaming right away without any complicated setup or software installation. In the heat of battle, every millisecond counts. The Huntsman V2's lightning-fast response time ensures that your commands are executed instantly, giving you the competitive edge you need to come out on top. With this keyboard, you're not just playing the game, you're dominating it. So whether you're aiming for the top of the leaderboards or just looking to enhance your gaming experience, the Razer Huntsman V2 is the ultimate choice. It's a keyboard designed for gamers, by gamers, and it delivers on every front. Experience the difference for yourself and see why the Huntsman V2 is truly a gamer's dream. Light up your game. Aesthetics and customization. Let's talk aesthetics, folks. The Razer Huntsman V2 isn't just a performance powerhouse, it's also a looker. The sleek minimalist design will complement any gaming setup. And with Razer Chroma RGB you can customize the lighting to your heart's content. Choose from preset lighting profiles or create your own unique light show. Sync your keyboard lighting with other Razer Chroma-enabled devices for a truly immersive gaming experience. Imagine your keyboard lighting up in sync with your game's action, reacting to in-game events and adding a whole new layer of immersion. From subtle glows to vibrant rainbow waves, the possibilities are endless. Built to last durability and ergonomic design. In the world of gaming, your equipment is your lifeline. A reliable, durable keyboard can make the difference between victory and defeat. We all know gaming can get intense. The adrenaline rush, the rapid movements, and the constant need for precision can put a lot of strain on your gear. That's why you need a keyboard built to withstand the rigors of furious button mashing and countless late-night gaming sessions. Imagine being in the middle of a crucial game and your keyboard fails you. It's a nightmare scenario for any gamer. The Razer Huntsman V2 is built like a tank with a durable aluminum top frame and keycaps designed to resist wear and tear. This keyboard is engineered to endure the most intense gaming sessions, ensuring that it remains reliable and responsive, no matter how hard you play. But durability shouldn't come at the expense of comfort. A keyboard that can withstand heavy use is great, but if it causes discomfort, it can hinder your performance. The Huntsman V2 features an ergonomic design with a plush wrist rest to keep you comfortable, even during those epic gaming marathons. The wrist rest is designed to provide maximum support, reducing the strain on your wrists and allowing you to focus on your game. Say goodbye to wrist fatigue and hello to extended gaming sessions without discomfort. With the Huntsman V2, you can play for hours without feeling the strain, thanks to its thoughtful design that prioritizes your comfort. The Huntsman V2 is designed for both performance and comfort, ensuring you can game at your best for hours on end. Its ergonomic features and durable construction make it the perfect choice for serious gamers who demand the best from their equipment. Whether you're in the heat of battle or exploring new worlds, the Huntsman Vive 2 has got your back, providing the reliability and comfort you need to stay in the game. The keyboard switches are designed for speed and accuracy, giving you the edge in competitive gaming. The RGB lighting not only adds a cool aesthetic but also helps you see the keys clearly in low-light conditions, enhancing your gaming experience. Customization is another key feature of the Huntsman V2. You can personalize the keys to suit your gaming style, ensuring that every command is at your fingertips. This level of customization allows you to optimize your gameplay and react faster than your opponents. With the Razer Huntsman V2, you're not just getting a keyboard. You're investing in a tool that enhances your gaming performance and comfort. It's a keyboard built to last, designed with the gamer in mind, and ready to take on any challenge you throw at it. So, gear up with the Razer Huntsman V2 and experience the perfect blend of durability, comfort, and performance. It's time to elevate your gaming to the next level.